Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. This is Mamun Zain, and I would like to show you in this small video how to export a test or assignment or any assessment from one section to another. The idea is that you have many sections, and all of the sections, they have the same quiz or the same assignment. Instead of you creating this assessment in every section, you can create it once in one section, and then you can export it to other sections. The process is very easy, straightforward. So let us assume that you already created this assessment in one of your sections, and it's already there. You created it and it is ready for students to use. Let me give you example. For example, I have assessment that I created here in this section. All right. So the first thing you do after you go to your course, you go here to the course tools and go straight down here all the way to the bottom. Before wikis, you will find test, surveys, and polls. So you click on it, and then here you will see the three links: test, surveys, and polls. Most likely you have created the test is going to be here on the test link. Every assessment that you created is going to be here on this test. Here, all the assessments that I've created are here. All right. So what do I do here? I would select the quiz or the assessment or whatever it is that I would like to export. So let me, for example, select this quiz 2. I would like to select quiz 2, and I would like to export it. So click on this small arrow here and click on export, and this will actually save a copy. As you could see, it's gone here to the download. It's been downloaded. Sometimes you will see the folder where it is going to. Sometimes you will see down here or up there. It depends on the version of Windows you are using. But if you go to the download, by default it's going to downloads folder. So here it is in the download folder. Here quiz 2 has been put here in the download. Yes, download, which is you will see it here by default. But you can actually save it, click on it, copy, and save it somewhere else. For example, I would like to save it in one of the folders. Say I would like to save it here in my USB. Right? Let me just put it here in USB. It is actually a compressed WinZip file. So leave it here. So I remember this one. I downloaded it. I exported it from my section, and then I put it here. All right. Okay. So, and I would like to actually export it to other, or go to other section and then import it. I'm done with this. That's it. I'm done with this section. I already exported what I would like to export, which is this assessment, right? Okay, good. So what do I do next? I go to the sections where I would like to have this test imported or exported to. So let me go to one of the sections, like this one, for example, and I would like to create a quiz. For example, I would like to call it quiz 2. Quiz 2. And then quiz 2 new. And then if you'd like to make it available for the users, you can click here, or you can just leave it not available now, and then you can enable it later. So click submit. So here it is, quiz 2 new. It is hidden, but you can unhide it. You can actually show the link by clicking show links right here. Alright, and then the link will be shown. Of course, you know how to set up the test options, stuff like that. But let me finish up this one by showing you how you can actually import this quiz that I have just exported. So you click on it, click on this link you have just created, and go to assessments, then click on tests. Or before that, actually, the most important thing is to go to the test surveys and pools, same like we did in the previous section, in which you exported the assessment. You click here and go to test, and then here it is what? It is empty because there is no assessment here. Click import test, and then click on browse my computer. Remember why I saved it? I saved it in my USB. Here it is, this one. Double click, click submit, and then after go down here, don't forget to click in this OK. So it is now imported here in this section, but it is not deployed yet. Deployed after you actually go to the quiz that you created, and then go to assessment, click test. Then you will see this one here. You don't have to create a new one. Usually if you would like to create a new one, you click in create, but you would like to actually use the one that you just imported. So select it from the list, click submit, and here is the test option, the timing and everything. If you have a password, if you have specific timing, if you have a specific timer for this, all these options that you like to do, like you did in the same quiz when you created it in the previous section. And then if you have like a description, you write your description here. Write test description, and then set the time. And as I told you, you can come here and then choose all this option. If you would like the question to be one at a time or all at once, if you would like to randomize questions and so stuff, whatever you do here, and then click submit, and the test now has been deployed here. Here it is. So if you like to edit, you click here and then click edit test itself, or edit the test option to change the timing and other properties. But if you'd like to see the test itself, you can click here and click begin to see how the test has been done. So this is question after question. I have 33 questions here. Right. So again, if you'd like to change the test option, you can actually click here and then click on edit the test option. For example, I would like all questions to be all at once. Click all at once. All 33 questions will be in one page, and then click submit, and then you would like to see how it goes. You can actually try to begin to see it, or you can actually edit. Click edit test here, and then you will see how the test. Here I have 33 question with 30 points, and here all the questions that are here. This is page 1 of 6, and then you can actually show other pages as well. Okay. Right, so now this is how you actually to import a test and export it to another section. So I don't want it now. I just created it to show you how to do that, so I'm going to delete it. Alright, and I'm going to delete this one as well because I just created it earlier by mistake. So that's it. If you need any help more, then you can call me on 05-329-32177. Thank you so much.